So for those people watching on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, and the YouTube has TikTok in the end side too. Yeah. Good morning, guys. For those people joining now live on YouTube, I'm back. You can let me know if the screen is much clearer than the previous live stream I had. Good to get on how it is. Yeah, we are back. I can see we have 15 people. So guys, let me know how is the screen on your end? How is it much clear? We have just good morning check out on gold and USDCHF. I'll check that. Drop the chat we see. Okay. Yes, na flip screen. Nauliza kama mnaniona and how the screen is in terms of quality because they have changed the internet. Yeah. And then we start. And for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. Okay. How is the screen right now? I think it's much clearer because now I have a noise. I think I'm using a better internet. Okay, so let's go directly to the analysis. And also, I was asking which pair because yesterday we had very good nice pairs analysis. Gold to tulipeana ilikuwa very clear, hakukuwa na any issue. So now, just be commenting how much you made, how many dollars, even if it's $10. Let us know you made $10, $20. So just be commenting on the how much you made yesterday using yesterday's analysis. Okay, so first thing, yeah, screen is very clear. So I want to check on Forex Factory. Today is on Thursday. Let me see on Thursday kama tuko na any news. Today is on Thursday. We have GDP peke yake na ishapita, and then 3 p.m. tuko na core retail and 330. Okay, not much high impact today, so iko sawa. So someone made $30, the other one made $180, someone else made 38 USD. Obire aliunda $50. Okay, so let's go directly to the analysis. And today we are a bit late because right now tunakuanga tushamaliza analysis zetu. So I'll start with USDCHF. In my honest way, because I've been trying to understand USDCHF since the past 2 days, ijakuwa na movement ya maana, ijakuwa na that movement like is nini, ijakuwa na movement like is making good movement. But of now, for me, since yesterday I was still giving sales on USDCHF and I was giving buys on gold. I'm still bearish on USDCHF. I'm still bearish on it. Let's come back on weekly. Now this is on weekly time frame, and I'm still bearish on it, considering checking on the weekly time frame how the market in a move. On daily time frame, I'm still bearish on USDCHF, and when it's come to 1 hour, I'm still bearish. I can see it has formed like a form of a head and shoulder. For me, I'm still bearish on USDCHF. I will not change the direction because I haven't seen a reversal of this market. And the same case on USDCAD, I've been on bearish on it. So for me on USDCHF, but wait a minute before we do the correlation between USDCHF and gold. Let's go to gold. Excuse me, kuna bahati nafanya gold mapema. So when I check on gold today, this XAUUSD, I see it has already cleared the yesterday's liquidity because tukikuja kama site tumekuwa na entry nyingine safi hapa. This market tunaangalia hivi. Unaangalia hii market leo, liquidity ya jana yenye ilibaki ni hii. Unaona hiyo market imekuja imeswipe liquidity very easily, and that's why I advocate. Unaona after market imeswipe liquidity ndio inakupea movement mrefu, like a very impulsive movement. You can compare movement ya hii ingine ranging na hii movement ya liquidity. So these are liquidity entry. So this one imetupita because it happened saa ngapi? I think ilikuwa either saa moja ama saa ngapi. Yeah, it was around 7 a.m. in the morning. That's when we had this liquidity really happen. But now we can only also check the other ones, because jana this is the other one. Yeah, and you can see another liquidity yenye nilipeana jana, this one. You can clearly see ilitupia a very good impulsive movement. Hii ndo nilipeana pia hizi buys za jana za liquidity. But now if I come today I check, nikikuja hapa niangalie, naangalia liquidity zote za jana zimeisha. Leo hakuna liquidity, because, and this is something I have to notice for you, market after imetoka this liquidity hapa, we don't have any other liquidity. Hiyo imeisha hivyo kabisa, hakuna any other liquidity. So trading gold today, labda tutumie weekly liquidity. Hebu tuone weekly liquidity kama iko bado. So chances za leo za kutrade gold zitakuwa very low, considering hakuna liquidity ingine imebaki. Okay, this is na weekly pia nikiangalia weekly juu ilisha grab liquidity ya previous week high. Hizi market zina range sana, because if you check clearly on gold weekly, hii wiki imegrab liquidity ya previous week high. Okay, that's a very big red flag. And then the previous week ili grab liquidity ya previous week low. We get tukikuja daily leo, and that's what naambianga, it's very safe. So unless we trade na hii the previous day liquidity yenye imebaki ni hii peke yake. Let me show you. Previous day liquidity ya juu peke yake ndio imebaki hapa. This is Tuesday, this is Wednesday. So liquidity yenye imebaki ni hii peke yake. Cause ya chini yote ishachukuliwa. Hata chini hakuna liquidity hata moja. Zote zimeshachukuliwa. So we have winded up. So tukimoa tumemark hivyo. Check your network. You're disconnected. Mi niko live, naona sawa. Mi naona say, I'm streaming with a different screen on mouse and I can see I'm okay. I think networking on your end. So when we finalize, we can clearly see this market, it has already grabbed liquidity ya jana, so imebakisha juu peke yake. So the only available liquidity imebaki ni peke yake hapa juu. Hii peke yake. So huku kwingine hakuna any entries watu wangu. So only liquidity imebaki ni peke yake ya hapa juu. And you can clearly see huku unaona niko 15 minutes. That's the only liquidity imebaki ya leo peke yake. Unless ungeamka mapema, that's what ungeweza kukatch this good entry hapa. Ungeweza kukatch this good entry hapa. Yes. So let's go now to on request currency peke yake. Now tukiangalia USDCHF, for me guys, I'm trying to check USDCHF on a weekly on a weekly time frame. This market is bearish on me. Like if I check the direction of this market is bearish, and the only pia liquidity ya weekly iko huku, iko a bit far. But now in kiangalia unaona ishafanya hata reversal. Unaona liquidity ya weekly iko hapa on USDCHF. So and then just a moment hivi. And then e-market at this particular level tusha mark up, tumeona this is a weekly liquidity na imefika hapa imefanya reversal. So for me I'm very bearish, I'm still bearish on USDCHF when you're under the direction USDCHF. Okay, the other pair is just now comment on request pairs zenye mnataka. Another pair yesterday we had which was the very nice one, was Euro AUD. Apart from gold, which other pair did you follow up on yesterday's analysis? Euro AUD. It was a very nice pair yesterday we did also. Usiniambie pia leo imeswipe liquidity. Today is Wednesday, 18. Okay. So this has been Euro AUD. Since we gave these sales kuanzia huku, hii market imeshuka hivi yote. Hizi ni pips ngapi? Over 180 pips. These have been very good swing trade. Okay, so let me follow the list instead of asking the questions. To repeat it to the list here. On USDCAD, coming back on USDCAD, let me show you on daily. This is on daily time frame. Let's move over the drawings. Okay, this is on a daily time frame. This is on a weekly time frame. Okay, so this calendar, the weekly time frame is on the previous week liquidity. Naangalia hiyo daily. Okay, this is on a daily. This is on a 4 hours. let's see on daily, and there's something I've seen on daily time frame. When I put this market into a line chart, it shows me this is a reversal here of there's a reversal on daily time frame. So but now we can't use that reversal on the daily time frame to give us a very good entry. Let's now go up to 4 hours. Coming back to 4 hours, not yet, nothing that's guaranteeing me that we can take any entries there on 4 hours. Same case to 2 hours, there's nothing. So I don't see any structure in a very good entry. Not yet any structure. So let's go to the next pair. XAUUSD nimeanalyze, nimeshapeana view ya gold. Nimesema kama umemiss gold za liquidity hapa, the other options market narudi hapa. But for me, I'm looking for, because gold nikiangalia weekly, hii market itafunga. Na weekly, mimi nataka naona market itafunga bullish. Okay, let's go to AUDUSD. On AUDUSD, we have been buying, and USD has the same positive correlation with gold. On a daily time frame, iko bullish. Okay, let's come to 4 hours. Hakuna any entry hapo. Tukuja one. Okay, let's move through drawings. I'm trying to understand the movement ya GBPUSD, where we are going to have another entry. Guys, am I still live? Ama kunaendaje? Okay, so GU has already come back. Insha clear weekly liquidity. That's on a weekly liquidity. This is on a daily. This is on 4 hours. And then this is on 2 hours. There's something I'm seeing on GU. Okay, so let's come here and now identify. There's also muniambia kama niko live, because I can't see any comments in this on Wednesday, Thursday. This Thursday. Meaning Thursday imeanza hapo. Okay. High point merudi. Let's come back to 5 minutes. So meaning, okay. Uko sawa, okay, naangalia. Quickly. GU. So when I check in GU, this is the open of the day. This is the liquidity. Naona market ina react na hiyo liquidity ya leo hapa juu. That's unaona inashuka hivyo. And there is a reversal hapa hivi. Iko hapa hivi. You can clearly see, you guys mnaona hii reversal hapa hivi. So I'll be looking for these reversals. Hii entry ya reversal hapa. Ya long position. And I buy hadi hapo hivi. Set up in. And then we can angalia EURUSD. Let's come back on daily time frame. Remove the drawings, and then we can reset the charts. And then 4 hours. The market has already activated this order block. Okay. And let's come back to 2 hours, 1 hour. Okay, let's put back it to the line chart. Okay.